again.
First, one bolt here. You got one bolt here. You got one bolt right there. See it? There. Right there. See it there? After you got these, they should just go right off. See? Go right off, but you need to take away this. We have one more bolt. We have one more bolt behind this. So you need to take off the intake here, there. But this is just you can use a 7, I think. Let's see, a7. Yep. And you just screw this off. Get off, and it should come right off. Just a sec. There you go. It should come right off. There you go. It's off. And then you have the last bolt right over there. And when this is off, it should pop right off. There you go. Here's the coil. You don't need to take away the. And here's the air filter with old and with the new. There you go. And just look if it's all good and all clean. If it is, just put it in. Put this back. And just screw the bolts back together. There's one. There's two. There's three. Here's the fourth. Here's the fifth. Over there. And the last, the seventh is right. And the seventh is right there. The last thing you gotta do is just put the intake seat back. There we go. And then you just screw this back on. When you feel it's tightening, when you feel it's tightening up, just that'll be good. There you go. Done.
Always use an oil pan so you don't get oil all over the floor. Just to cover under the vehicle with some screws to take off. Just with a normal star.
Then it's off. All of it.
Just putting in there. That one there. It's easy. With these kind of screws, you just pop them off. Here's the oil pan. You got the bolt right here.
Let's do this. There you go. It's easy as that. Mix it a little bit. So I don't get oil all over the place. See, all over there. There you go. Just be ready. Not yet. Almost. And when it's ready, there you go. Perfect. And while we're emptying the oil, let's go up. There you go. Then you get this type of oil, special oil filter tool you just put on. It's just like a glove. You see, this is, you can see there, this is a 76 by 14 to the Audi A4. So you put it there. You get the medium, just put it right there. Then all you have to do is turn around. You see? That's how easy it is. And you can take this off. Take this off. And you just take it out. Now you're releasing some air pressure in the oil. So you just put this out, open it up a little bit, and this will get out a little bit smoother. You can take this off. Take it off, take it off, take it off. See? Easy does it. Easy does it. Everything, it's perfect. Take it off. There you go. It's off. And let it slide a little bit. And you do like this, and there you go. There you go.
Out with the old, in with the new. Let's see. There you go. Let's put it on like that. There you go. There you go. There you go. You just need to tighten it a little bit, not a lot. If you tighten it a lot, it's not good. It'll be hard to take it off again. So you just tighten it a little bit. There you go. Perfect. So it's easy to take off again later. Just with, you can do it with the hand also, but I like to use like my feeling. Now it does. Just a little bit more. And in with the plug. I usually buy new plugs, but I didn't get a new one, so we will need to use the old one. But it looks pretty good. No problem with it. There we go. Now we can put back the oil plug. There you go. It's decent. There's the wrench. This and this. Just keep on tapping. Keep on tapping. Okay. Almost there. There we go. And here, be careful. Perfect. You ain't gonna tighten it too much, just so you feel like a resistance. And it's good. Perfect. Done. Take out that oil. Looking pretty dark there, to be honest. I use the Castrol 5W40 Magnatech oil for the Audi A4. And it's 4.6.
It's not spilling.
Okay, everything is done. I always start the car to check if it's not leaking and if everything is okay. So I put the cap back on. Let's see. There we go. and I'll let it run for a little while. Now we're checking if there's leaks. And it looks quite dry to me. Put the cover back on.
Take this down so it'll be easier. There we go. I'll just make it a little bit easier. Yep. This here.
Now the plastic cover's back on. Everything looks good, no leakage, no nothing. It looks good.
We have the pollen filter, which is right underneath here. You screw these off. This is, by the way, the panel under the, you see, here's the dashboard on the passenger side. Underneath here, screw this off. Screw this off. It's 2 screws, or 2 plastic, like you'll see, 2 plastic like that. Yeah, take this up. There you go. Or you even have 3. There's one at the back right there. Right there. There you go. Taking this off. There you go. Take it off. And there it is. All you gotta do is push this, I think, back. There you go. And then take it out. There you go. That doesn't look quite good, to be honest. Let's see inside if it's good or bad, or how it is, how it's looking. It doesn't look too bad. Alrighty. Here's the new one. Let's see. Let's just put it there. There we go. And we just put it back right, because we got it. Right there. Right. Come on, get stupid. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. Now it's done. Put this one back. Let's see how it was. I think like this. And then just push it back. There you go. And now it's on. There you go. Just let's put this. Then we put this back. Like this. Like that. There you go. Underneath the plastic. There you go. So you can shape it how you want, and then you take these plastics and just screw it back where they were. There we go. There we go. That's one. Here's the other one. There we go. It's quite easy, these Audis, to be honest. And here's the third, right back there. There you go. That's the pollen filter done.
Put the cover back on. Just like that. Perfect.